The body is always listening, and the body is always trying to determine whether you are in fight or flight or rest and repair. Fight or flight in a stress mode, or rest and digest, rest and repair, or mate and ovulate, depending on what your goals are. That we are designed to spend more time in the parasympathetic nervous system. This is a picture from my book that I refer to a lot for my clients, versus the sympathetic, the fight or flight, the overdrive. What can you do? The most powerful intervention, medical intervention, is the breath. So I'm going to teach you a second breath exercise that can be very powerful based on whether you are in sympathetic or parasympathetic. If you are in sympathetic overdrive, you are stuck in traffic and you're late for an important meeting. You are just about to get up and give a speech that's very important for you, or go into a negotiation. Maybe your heart is racing, your palms are sweaty. You're on an airplane and you have a fear of flying. What can you do? Put your finger on the right nostril and breathe in and out through the left nostril. Nobody even has to know what you're doing. You could look like you're thinking. You can look very contemplative. Take 3 or 4 deep, long breaths and see if that doesn't calm you down. This and or the 4-7-8 breath work that I have shared with you in another video. If you are on a long Zoom conference call and it's the end of the day and you are tired and feeling like you need more energy, maybe you need to be more in the sympathetic overdrive and you don't want to self-medicate with caffeine, what can you do? Put your finger on the left nostril. And take 3 or 4 really deep, nice breaths through the right nostril, holding the left nostril to energize you. The last one I'm going to show you is if you put 2 fingers on the forehead and the thumb and the ring finger, we can do alternate nostril breathing. So maybe I want to inhale through the left nostril, hold it, put my ring finger on the left nostril, and exhale through the right nostril. Then inhale through the right nostril, put my thumb on the right nostril, and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right. This is a way to create balance between the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. So you are so much more powerful than you've been led to believe. And as a health coach, it's my goal to educate, inspire, and empower you to be your own best healthcare advocate and using really simple solutions. Carpe diem, seize the day.